Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading I Hear You, Ocean by Kelly George and Carmen Monk. Please enjoy. And I want to welcome some new subscribers here to this channel. Again, welcome aboard to this channel here, and I hope you will enjoy it. Feel free to check out my other book readings here I got on this channel, and feel free to share it. But on to the story. I Hear You, Ocean. The ocean has lots to say if you listen. Roar, roar, I hear you, waves, pouncing proudly. Can I pounce along with you? Rumble, rumble, I hear you, pebbles, tumbling together. You fill the beach with shiny gems. Arf, arf, I hear you, Seal, playing peekaboo. I see you, can you see me? Shrutto, shrutto, I hear you, crab, scurrying swiftly. Sorry if I startled you. Whoosh, whoosh, I hear you, shell. Morning messages. What's the news from out at sea? Screech, screech, I hear you saying, sliding sneakily. Please don't slip into our snacks. Ripple, ripple, I hear you, seaweed, wiggling, waving. Do you tickle all the fish? Scree, scree, I hear you, seabird, swooping swiftly. I wish I could soar like you. Splash, splash, I hear you, log, sailing somewhere. What adventure will you have? I see you, baby, dozing, dreaming. Listen to this lullaby. Roar, roar, ripple, ripple, she, scuckle, scuckle, whoosh, whoosh, arf, arf, splash, splash, rumble, rumble. I hear you, ocean, and all you say. And I love you, ocean. Well, wasn't that a cute story? How many of you have picked up a seashell to listen things like that. The sounds of the ocean from a seashell. Let me know in the comment box with a thumbs up if you have listened through a seashell. Let me know. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a pleasant one, everybody. And take care.